Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset Microsoft Teams settings on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for settings. After that, click on open and then click on apps right here. After that, click on installed apps and then just search for Microsoft Teams right here. And then once you found it, all you have to do is to click on the three dots and then click on advanced options. In the app permissions, you will be able to see the permissions that we have right here. So if you want to turn it off and reset it, all you have to do is to turn them off. And then same goes for the background app permissions. So all you have to do is to set it to never. And then once you're now done with this, you can also turn this off. And then if you really want to reset the settings, just scroll down right here. And then what we're going to do is to reset the app. So just click on reset right here, and then it will permanently delete the app's data of this device. So just click on reset, and then all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. Now, once you click on reset right there, all you have to do is to open it once again. You should now be able to use Microsoft Teams with the default settings. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. So that is basically it.